Hey, it's Gail, and today we are talking again about making the most of yourself. Now, for years, actually all my life, I've had bad lower teeth. They've been very crooked. Didn't have money for an orthodontist when I was a kid, so you know how that goes. So anyway, yeah, very crooked. I decided to bite the bullet and we are going to see what happens when you use some of these invisible aligners to align the teeth. Now, I went a couple weeks ago to one of those Smile Direct Club studios, which there happened to be one kind of near me. And I wanted to see the aligners, you know, touch and feel and see what they were like. So I decided to do it. Let's take a look and see what's inside the box. Okay, here's a box that came inside, and let's see if we can figure out what's in the box. So we've got welcome to the club. We've got all kinds of stuff. We've got more lip gloss, and by the way, this is like the best lip gloss I've ever had. This looks like where you keep your retainer, aligners, whatever you want to call it. Some whiteners, Chewy's aligner tray cedars. They didn't say anything about this at the shop, so who knows? This is what they call a pick. And when they told this to me, or a hook. And when they told me about this, it's like, I'm not putting hooks in my mouth. And they said, nah, this is for people who have like fake fingernails that could come undone easily. So that's just for that. So let's see what they have for aligners. Heavens, look what I've got. These are apparently all the aligners, and it looks like they've been marked with like month 1, week 3, and things of that nature. So let me get month 1, week 1, and we'll see what they look like, and I'll put them in and see how easy they are to use. So again, month 1, week 1. All right, the moment we've been waiting for, the aligners. So they don't really say which one's which, but I can tell that these are my front teeth up here, or my top teeth, and I can tell that these are my bottom teeth, so no worries there. Let's just try to align this and see what happens. I'm going to take my lipstick off first because I don't want to get lipstick all over these. Hold on a second. Okay, I cheated, and I have the bottom ones in, and they're not staying put. So let me see what it is that I am doing wrong. I feel like, you know, Elmer Fudd at the moment. Okay, I read the directions, and I'm actually putting them in right, but the directions also say you may speak with a slight lisp at first. I fit that. Okay, here is my top row of teeth, so let's put them in. There they are. Well, it sounds like... Now, my top teeth don't really need it, but they said, well, they can't do just one at a time, and I still feel like Elmer Fudd. But again, the directions on the back of the aligners do tell you that it's going to feel funny at first. You're going to speak with a slight lisp until you get used to these. Okay, in reading this, I also see things like you may experience dry mouth, drink plenty of water. I don't have any problem with that. Remove the aligners while eating, smoking, or drinking. Boy, I'm going to have problems with that because I drink coffee all the time. Brush and floss after every meal. Okay, I can handle that. To prevent the food and debris from getting into the aligners. Contact them if you have any issues with the fit. It is normal for fresh aligner, excuse me, and no, this is not because of the aligners. Okay. It is normal for fresh aligners to fit is that tightly or lightly? Yes, it says tightly at first, which makes sense because this is the start of your liner. And I've got 6 months worth of these little packets. So what they told me was it will take about a month to really start seeing a difference, which is fine. That's about what I expected. And they said for my particular issue, it would take roughly 6 months. Could be 5 months, could be 7 months. It all depends. And I still feel like Elmer Fudd. But if it straightens out these teeth, absolutely worth it. Now, I have to wear these 24/7, except while eating and drinking, so that's going to be very interesting. They don't feel bad. They feel funny because I've never worn anything like this. They don't hurt at all, so that's not an issue. And I don't think that the color is an issue so much. They are invisible, but I could tell that there's a bit of a clear spot in spaces. So I'll give you kind of a close-up. So I can see kind of a clear spot there, but I think if you are talking to me or whatever, and I'll see as I take a look at this video, I'll see if I really see either what I'm feeling down here against my lower lip or whatever. Pardon me, but I'm going to take them out and see how easy they are to take out. Very easy. Gross. So anyway, week 1, day 1, let's see what happens. I'll come back periodically and we can see how well or not this works. I really kind of forgot to mention that a couple things. 1, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. But 2, why have I decided to wait, 50 some odd years to do this? Well, I'll tell you, once you get past a certain age, you kind of want to clean up some. For example, I had a mole right here. Had it all my life. It was just one of those raised moles that I just didn't like. And it never occurred to me to just get it removed because it was just sitting there. Like I said, my whole life, never changed color or anything like that. No cancer, no nothing. But I got rid of it. Yay! So I've got a pink spot there, but that's easy to cover with makeup. Next I thought was, gee, I don't like my teeth being the way they are. Now, I know I said something earlier on about I didn't want to do anything invasive, but I don't consider aligners to be invasive. And granted, you have to go to the doctor, but I think of these as prosthesis. And it's something that after 6 months or so, I won't have to do except maybe wear a retainer at night. I don't know. So, I hope you enjoy this journey, and I'll end up, if this works, I'll end up putting links down below. So, I don't know, maybe I can get you a discount. We'll see. Anyway, again, this is Gail signing out saying have a great day, and if you enjoy this, give it a thumbs up. Catch you later. Bye.